Day 1. Something is wrong. You wake up and the birds are gone. Not quiet. Gone. Every bird that has lived in the trees above your camp for your entire life, gone. No sound, no movement, just trees. You look at the person next to you. They heard it too. The absence of it. You look south. The horizon is black, not storm black, something else. A wall of black that goes from the ground all the way up until it disappears into the sky. And it's getting bigger. Your legs start moving before you decide to move. Day 4. The ash is in everything. It's in the water. It's on every leaf. It coats the inside of your nose when you breathe. When you eat the small amount of food you have left, you can feel it between your teeth. The sky is the color of a bruise. It has been since day 2. You haven't seen the sun in 4 days. You have enough food for maybe 6 more. There are 31 of you. You don't tell anyone about the math. You just keep walking. Day 7. The sun doesn't come up. You wait for it. You've waited for it your entire life, and it has always come. This morning, you sit and watch the sky get slightly less dark and then stop. That's it. That's all you get. Someone starts crying, then 2 people, then more. You don't cry. You get up and build the fire bigger. You don't know what else to do, so you do that. The old woman sits at the edge of the firelight and stares into the dark. You've watched her face your whole life. When things are bad, she shows it. When things are very bad, she goes quiet. She's been quiet for 3 days. Day 19. 2 people don't wake up. No blood, no injury. They just stop. You bury them in the ash. You put a rock on the ground above them. You don't know why. You'll never come back here. But you put the rock there anyway, and then you make yourself turn around and walk. The food ran out on day 14. You've been eating bark, roots, things that barely count. Your body has stopped feeling like yours. Your hands shake when you hold things. Everyone's do. 31 people, now 29. You keep counting. You don't know why you keep counting. You just do. Day 30. 8 people say they're going back south, back to the river, back to where the food was, back to everything before this started. You know what's south. You ran from it. But you don't say that. You don't say anything. One of them, someone you have known every single day of your life, looks at you before they leave. You raise your hand. They turn and walk into the ash. Within 2 minutes, you can't see them anymore. You stand there for longer than you should. Then the old woman starts walking north, and you follow her because you have nothing else. You never find out what happened to the 8. Day 41. You come over a ridge and stop. Below you there is a valley. There's green in it, thin and pale, but green. A crack of actual sunlight is coming through the cloud and sitting on a small stream at the bottom. You haven't seen sunlight in over a month. Nobody speaks, nobody moves for a long time. Then the old woman walks past you down the hill and kneels at the stream and puts her hand in the water. 23 people follow her down. You make camp. For the first time in 41 days, you don't think about the math. The last thing. While you were walking north, the same thing was happening everywhere on Earth. Every group of humans, every continent, the same black sky, the same ash, the same food running out. Most of them didn't make it. When it was over, there were maybe a few thousand humans left alive on the entire planet. That's it. A few thousand. In a world that today holds 8 billion. Every single one of those 8 billion people is descended from the ones who made it out. The ones who kept walking. The ones who followed someone they trusted over a ridge they couldn't see past. You are one of them, not their ancestor. Them. That same thing that kept you moving for 41 days, it's still in you. It never left. You are history.